For nearly 20 years, this project has been envisioned and championed by both current and former Board of Trustees, as we strive to serve our communities and create cutting-edge, high-tech resources for our students.
So behind me, you're going to see this skilled trade complex. It is a state-of-the-art facility, and it's all under one roof.
It feels more like a workspace than an actual school, and you get to learn a lot about different industries and kind of figure out where you want to go from there.
It was awesome because there were so many units to work on. There were so many different tools, all kinds of stuff.
We've created spaces for students to learn, to see this building built and it matches the renderings and matches the college's vision. That's the part that is really rewarding.
We have an amazing opportunity to show them how all of these trades work together to actually build the structures that we live and work in.
You know, the goal really is to get students to a level where they're going to be that good entry-level technician that's going to be able to hit the shop floor on day one, understand how to use tools, understand about the systems of equipment, and to start learning on the job as well.
We're inside of an air-conditioned shop here and getting to bang on stuff and make things light up. That's pretty cool. This has honestly been some of the most fun I've had at school ever.